shadows.
Oh, cool. No, the bus was 2 minutes coming home from Crossroads. But to get there, it takes like an hour because you have to go to downtown.
I made like a wolf.
But if you get a bus to us, I think we're like a 20-minute walk.
I
You can go and knock on our door and be like, ah.
Who likes it? I want a knock on. I am really hungry for a knock on.
Greetings, loved ones. Let's take a journey.
I know a place where the grass is really greener, warm, wet and wild. There must be something in the water. Sipping gin juice, laying underneath the palm trees. Bugs break their legs, trying to creep a little sneak.
What?
Go Julia! Go Julia! Woo!
But nothing comes close to the golden coast. Once you party with us, you'll be falling in love. Daisy Dukes, bikinis on top, sun-kissed skin so hot from when you
Fitting ready. Turn it up cause it's getting heavy. Wild, wild, West Coast. These are the girls I love the most. I mean the ones, I mean like she's the one. Kiss her, touch her, squeeze her bones. The girl's afraid she drive a Jeep and live on the beach. I'm okay, I won't play. I love the bay just like I love LA. Venice Beach and Palm Springs. Summertime is everything. Homeboys banging out. All that ass hanging out. Bikinis, bikinis, martinis, no wings, just the king and the queen. Katie, my lady. And look at here, baby. I'm all up on you, cause you represent me.
I want to see the empty mic.
Sorry.